Hey guys, this is Matthias from beardinstructor.com. It has been a long time I recorded a show, but today I'm gonna continue and we will talk about the sidelines of your beard. Before I start, just a little hint, just a little note. What I'm going to talk about is my sideline. Your might be different. Because of your beard growth or because of your style, because I have a bald head, so I need to fade my beard into something that leads to the bald head. So this is just my solution. Your might be a little bit different. For this picture, I took my glasses off so you can see it a little bit better. What I do is I let the sidelines go thinner and thinner at the end of the sides, and let them kind of fade into the sideburns. Because I noted before I have a bald head, and this is, in my eyes, a very elegant way to get it faded. Another way is to cut it off, as you can see on this picture. Well, I don't cut it off, but you see it with the lines. You just need to be very accurate to get it in the correct angle to get a proper look with this. I also let the beard grow as high as I can, so I get a pretty close line to the mustache, and that results in a very natural, nice beard. If you want to do this yourself, you need to have a proper beard growth, otherwise the line won't be sharp and defined enough. My lines are very straight because, as you can see, my face is pretty round, and through this straight line, I get it a little bit stretched. Depending on your genetics, it might be better to cut them round or to get them lower. So it always depends on your personal shape of your head and also of the shape of your beard, because my beard is pretty long. That also stretches my head a little bit. In most cases, it will be the best that you let grow what you can. So that you just get rid of single stubbles here and remove them twice a week. And then you will get the natural sideline. And I think that's the best you can do. Just take care that you really grow enough hair and that the sideline gets really sharp. And I really suggest to buy a second mirror in your bathroom, so both sidelines are geometric, that each of them looks identically to the other one. Yeah, that's it for today. I hope you got some tips to shave your sideline in a better way, or just to perfect it a little bit. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel to get informed when I publish new clips. And if you like to know more about grooming, go onto my blog. That's www.beardinstructor.com. In the next video, I will explain the neckline of your beard. Stay tuned and have a good time. Bye bye.